Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to show you market scanner from backtesttradingengine.com. It is very useful tool. With this tool you can scan the market using RSI values. You can choose a minimum RSI and maximum RSI. For example, you can look for coins where the RSI between 39 and 69. You can also set the streak number. This means how many candles the RSI stay in that range. For example, you can choose minimum streak 30. Also, you can filter by volume. Let's say the minimum volume is $1 million. In addition, you can select the time interval. For now, we're gonna use only 4-hour time frame. And let's scan the market. As you can see, there is a 40 coins matching these conditions. So let's investigate first coin, 1000 Pepe USDT. So this is the meme coin. If you select the row, if you click the row, table row, you can see full details. So current 4-hour RSI is 45.48 and RSI streak is 60. So last 60 RSI is actually in between this range, 39 to 69. And also Supertrend is last 70 candle Supertrend is actually bi-direction. So that means this coin is bullish at the moment. Also, you can see last 15 days total up from the lowest point, and you can see also last 15 days down from top to the current price, so 9.11. If you want to scan with the multi-interval, so you can select basically two intervals, 1 hour and 4 hour. So let's scan again. More likely there is going to be less coins. As you can see, there is only 3 coins at the moment, the matching these conditions. But if you want to test the bearish coins, just type the minimum RSI 0 and maximum RSI is 40 and minimum streak, let's say 25. And I'm going to change the interval to 30 to 15 minutes. Oh, sorry. Yeah, as you can see, there is a 2 coins actually matching our conditions. The rave, basically very bearish, and we can see from the last 15 days down is 95.83%. And also there is another coin, Home USDT, and this coin is almost down 21% last 15 days. And RSI is pretty low. So basically, if you want to scan the market based off the RSI range and with the streak, also volume conditions, this is the best tool you can use. It is free, totally free. Also, if you are interested in the backtest strategy, so if you want to try the backtest your own strategy and see the result of the income or losses, and it is totally free. You can sign up and just try to test your strategy as well. I hope this video is useful for you. See you next time. Bye.